guys, I'm gonna go dig this sweet potato. There's a sweet potato here. This is all my sweet potato now. It's covered with leaves now because it's full. All the leaves of the trees go out. So we'll see if I can have some digging here. It's somewhere here. So this is only one sweet potato. I put it here, and now it's already all dead because it was below freezing last. Oh, look at my plant. It's dead. Last week it went below freezing a couple days. So see, look at that. I think I have something. See? Oh, look at that. I hope it's still okay. This is for the whole winter. Wow. Big. Hi.
Hello.
Hey, look. Look what I've got. There's two of them.
Ah,
Yeah.
magic dirt.
Magic dirt. Yeah, that's right.
Not a little grape-sized potato.
Yeah, that's right. And this is a sweet potato. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's so good. The dirt is pretty good. I'm gonna do this again next year. I'll do this again next year. And it's easy to get. Wow, that's so cool. I got two. Let's see if there's some more. Well, the one is so far away, so that didn't make it. There's another one. I don't think this is making it. If it's so far away, that means it didn't make it. Let's see. It's pretty good. Yeah, there's nothing in that. Wow, I can't believe I made it too. That's all. One sweet potato. I need two. Ta-da! Oh, that's big. And it's so pretty. Time to bake it tonight with butter and sugar. Be good. So if you can see, all of the backyard is full of leaves. So it's time for cleaning up. Cupboards everywhere.